Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here. So the foldable Samsung Galaxy Z Flip phone is available to buy starting today. So you can buy it in the store, you can buy it online, you can get it right now. But should you buy this phone? Well, let me first say that these are just going to be my opinions. After using the Galaxy Fold, after using the Motorola Razr, I think that this is going to be the first foldable phone that's going to be really consumer friendly, that a lot of people are going to be interested in it and not necessarily being tech, junkies or just really all into all the specs. Just it looks like a cool phone that they may want to buy. And the main thing about this phone that really stands out is that it's a fun phone. Like, Samsung is really advertising this phone as something that's going to be a joy to use. But I was able to get some hands-on time with this phone, and a lot of people in the room, other tech YouTubers and just other people in the tech industry, were really having a lot of fun with the phone. You saw people kind of smiling and joking around with it. But it is something that is cool to use because not only can you fold it all the way flat and make it really compact to put in your pocket and take it with you, but then you can also unfold it all the way, and now you have a big 6.7-inch screen. But now you can also fold it just halfway, and now this brings a totally new way to use a phone without having to put your phone up on a stand or something like that. Now you can just bend it in half, place it on your desk, and so now if you want to video chat with someone, you can use an app like Google Duo to have the video chat at the top, and then at the bottom of the screen you could be doing something totally different. And then with the YouTube app, it's going to be updated to allow you to watch a YouTube video and then interact with the comments on the bottom screen. And then you also see this type of integration in the camera app and other places as well. So this really gives you a different angle that you can't do with any other phone right now, as far as I can see. And Samsung is really doubling down with Google on the software to try to make this type of folding action more unique, and hopefully more people get on board with it. But look, it's a foldable phone that it doesn't feel like it's made to get work done, right? It's made really just to have a good time with. Like with the Galaxy Fold, it's cool because it folds out into a tablet. And so you have extra screen real estate to multitask and things like that. And so I don't think a lot of people could really relate to that because they don't want a big screen. And if you do follow me on Instagram, you know I post a lot of pictures of this Galaxy Fold. So you know I like the phone, but I do understand that it is too much for some people. And we did have another foldable flip phone come out recently, the Razr, but the specs definitely are lacking for the price point. It costs more than the Flip, and yeah, the camera sucks a little bit on it. So that was a good attempt. There was some interest with this, but with the Z Flip, it's a phone that really checks all the boxes. And a lot of this deals with the general specs of the phone. So you have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus inside of it, and that just got replaced by the 865. And then you also have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. You have wireless charging, you have the wireless power share feature, and then you also have a very capable camera system. It's not gonna be what the S20 is bringing to the plate, but you still have a ultra wide camera on the back alongside with a wide angle camera. And then on the front, you do have that selfie pinhole camera. And then the screen itself is now made out of a foldable glass instead of foldable plastic that's on the Galaxy Fold. So this glass screen should be more durable and hopefully should be able to withstand a lot of wear and tear as you keep folding and unfolding this phone. And it's just really flexible to use because that hinge allows you to really prop this up and use it in different ways that we just haven't been able to do with other smartphones. And so look, just to answer the question of this video, should you buy this phone? I have to say, again, I haven't reviewed it just yet, but just from my time of using it and seeing everything, I think this is going to be that first foldable phone that I could recommend without any reservations. All the other foldable phones, I was like, well, I mean, it's good, but, and it's bad, but, and all this stuff. But with this one, I mean, there are some things like the screen does still have a crease in it. But besides that, I mean, there's not really a lot that I can see failing with this phone because the specs seem up to par. The price point, again, is $1,380, but it's better than all the other foldable phones. And I think that it does have that fit and finish that we expect from Samsung on this phone. It does feel like a premium device, but it doesn't feel fragile when you use it. And this phone just really seems like the phone that if you have been on the fence about foldable phones, whether or not you want to buy one or not, this could be the one to help push you over. But again, it's going to be up to you. But I really do want to know what you think about this Galaxy Z Flip and just really foldable phones in general. Let's start that conversation. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And so just stay tuned. I will be getting this phone very, very soon. So stay tuned for more content covering this Z Flip. But like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.